Hello, I'm going to show you how to order your print on our online ordering system. Before you can order anything, you need to do a quote. From the quote page, you will see that you've got 4 tabs at the top of the page. The first one, which is for leaflets up to a 3,000 run, which are usually printed on our Indigo. The second one is for short run brochures and books, which again are printed on our Indigo and are usually competitive for runs up to 500. If your quantity is any higher than this, you need to be talking to our estimating department. The third tab is for leaflets over 3,000 run, and these are usually done litho. And the last tab is for business cards, which are for ordering business cards in specific quantities of 250, 500 or 1,000. For the sake of this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to use leaflets up to 3,000 run. First of all, you need to put a job name and a job description. We're going to do an A4 page for the sake of this demonstration, and we're going to call it Pelican Press. If you've got a purchase order number at this stage, you can put it in. If you've got some special instructions, put them in this box. It could be a delivery address, it could be some information regarding the artwork. It's there for you to type in whatever you want. As this is an A4 page, it will default to full colour one side and blank on the reverse, so we need to change the blank to full colour. We then can look at the paper we've got, and we've got a wide range of papers, and we're adding to this all the time. We're going to choose a 250 gram coated paper, and we're going to do it on a gloss. We want to have 125, and the size is A4 page. This is important that you, when it is a 4 page, or a 3rd A4 6 page, you actually tick these boxes as using A4 or A3 or A5 will assume that is the size of the job rather than it being an A5 4 page or an A4 4 page. As far as the finishing is concerned, there's a range of options, and again, if it's a 4 page, it will need to be folded, and if it's over 200 gram, it will need to be creased. So we're going to tick that box. Range of lamination options. You can go gloss one side, matte one side, gloss both sides, matte both sides. In this instance, we're going to go gloss one side. And there is also an option to personalise the job by adding an address to one side. As far as this is concerned, it's a digital job, so we can do that. And then your delivery options, it will default to a next day TNT. But there are a range of other delivery options to suit yourself. We're going to leave it as TNT next day. This last box here, you can tick this box, and that will mean you will not get a proof. By leaving the box unchecked, you will get a PDF proof that will be sent to you via email or through our FTP site. At the bottom, we've got a price, and every price that we do includes VAT. If the job does not qualify for VAT, we will not invoice it on your final invoice. We also have a minimum order value of £25, which will note the price will be adjusted to. If you've got a budget to work to, and say we've got a slightly higher budget to work to here, you can play around with the quantities until you get an amount that you're happy with. So say we've got a budget of £150, we're happy with that. At this point, you need to save the quote. If you do not save the quote, it will not be. You will have to do the quote again next time you come into the online ordering system. Clicking the quote takes you through to a lot more detail, and there's lots of other things you can do now to that quote to turn it into a job, which I'll cover in a different video. Thank you.